Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today I am here in Hyundai showroom to show you the all new 2021 Hyundai Kona with the Nline body kit. Hello guys, this is the all new 2021 Hyundai Kona. You can see it's look very beautiful in this blue color. As tell you before, this Kona is only fitted with the Nline body kit. The engine specifications, everything is same as the normal Kona. This Korean SUV comes with a 1.6 liter engine. It's a 4-cylinder petrol engine that generates 175 HP of horsepower at 265 Nm of torque. This is the interior of the all new 2021 Kona. You can see the touchscreen infotainment system, the AC vents, the automatic climate control AC. Hope you guys enjoy my today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video. We'll come with a new video soon. Until then, signing off guys. Take care. Bye bye.